Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about a relay called phase failure. Phase failure relay. Some challenges we used to encounter when we go to a remote area to carry out our job. We cannot access some of the component. So if you discover that while carrying out your job and phase failure now is not working, and you have some relay at your disposal, normal mechanical relays. You can use them to form your phase failure, okay? Especially when you are working with expensive phase failures and voltage monitors such as this. These components are very expensive and getting them in a local market is not that easy. So we have to travel to the city to access them. These ones are very easy to get, these ones. But this one, you can't get them without going to the city. Then this other one, ABB, this one, this ABB, this one is also expensive. So why carrying out your job at a remote area and they cannot access your phase failure, but you have relays at your disposal, maybe within one of your panel component, a panel that is not useful, but you have relays embedded in them. You can salvage them, you can get them and customize your own phase failure. All right, let me show you how to do that. If you have a relay, you use three numbers of relay to form your phase failure. This is the way you customize your phase failure. Now, this is your supply. This is your MCB. Now, upon energization of this line, when this one get energized and I have power on three of them, these relays will be energized as well because each of them take power from different phases. All right. This one get power from here, this one gets from here, and so on. This one respectively. Then they share common neutral, and this my neutral. Now, this relay is, as you all know, that a relay is composed of contact and a coil this way, both of them embedded. But when we are carrying out our design, we detach the contact from the coil, take the coil to one side to where output is going to be inserted, then take the contact to where input is going to be inserted. That is how we do schematic arrangement, all right? So this is the form of a relay. So let me take it away. So because of that, look at their contact. Look at their contact. Oh, sorry, let me see if I can display them once more so that you'll be able to understand more better. Okay, look at it now. Now, this is the contact. This contact now is going to replace these ones. These are contact arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3. Arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3. So these relays, the coils are here, then the contact are here. I just aligned them here. But each of these components will be like this symbol now. Okay? But when designing, like I said before, you line up their input one side and you align their coil one side. So that's what I mean. So this is my relay coil and these are their contacts. So when you energize each of the coil into different phases, then you feed them with their neutral as well, like I did this way. Then these are their contacts. So you want to supply a contactor, you want to feed a contactor. You all know that contactor requires voltage monitor to phase failure. The phase must be completed for contactor for the motor to operate. Okay, so induction motor requires direct three-phase supply if you are using three-phase motor. So in isolation of one phase, contactor shouldn't close so that the motor will not burn out. Okay, so it must be three phases. If one phase fail, the contactor shouldn't energize. The power shouldn't go to induction motor. So that is the essence of preventing that incident by using phase failure. Is part of protection that induction motor requires. So if you cannot access the phase failure as a component complete, you can use your relay component to customize your own phase failure. So this is the arrangement. This might supply to my switch. Before I feed my contactor, I supply my switch. From my switch, I now go to each of the contacts and coming back to energize my contactor coil. Let's now do that. This is my neutral to my contactor as well. So let's simulate. I put on my power supply. Look at all the arrays being energized. So and their contact has closed. So if I close this my contact, my signal will flow complete. The circuit is going to complete to my contactor. So let's energize. Look at contactor close. If I de-energize, contactor disengage. If I energize, contactor closes. Now, let me isolate one of the face so that you see that each of this one of them will get create open circle, thereby opening one of the respective contact. Let's do that now. So I take away line 1, then let's simulate again. Now 2 has closed, 1 refused to close, and the contact is open. So if I energize here, the contactor cannot close because the face has failed. One of the face has failed. All right. So let me put it back now. I put the face back. Let's simulate again. Look at them. They are complete. So my circuit has completed now. So I can now energize the cord. All right. So that is how you understand how to customize your phase failure. Now, supposing I want indicator lamp here to illuminate and to enable me know when the contactor is in a closed state. What do I do? Let's do that. Let's attach indicator lamp. It's very simple. Bring it here. This indicator lamp. Then supposing you are doing connection that requires direct on and off, something like this, you don't need a latching circuit because this contactor, the latching circuit requires that you use NO, the auxiliary NO 1314 to make your retainer and latching circuit. So if you're not doing that and you're using direct off and on to energize your contactor, so I'll be left with 13 here. I have 13 terminal. So I use it to take power from here. Then this is the 14. I bring it 14. I bring out 14 here. I use that 14 now to feed my lamp. So that is NO auxiliary contact. Okay. I also energize this with my neutral. So let's see if we can change this to maybe yellow. Let's use yellow lamp. Okay, now this one will illuminate just now. If this one close, 13 auxiliary and 14 will close as well. I feed from my input of the A1 to 13. So from 14 will come out and feed my lamp. Let's try that. All right, I feed my contactor close, and my lamp come up. All right, thank you. So this is how you customize your phase failure. You know, all right, so what you're going to do is to share this and also follow me because on weekly basis, I'll be giving you update. That is a promise. On weekly basis, I'll be giving you similar update as this. More than this, in fact, I'll make sure I keep you engaged by giving you update, giving you alternate solutions to electrical installations and automation and control system, okay? Just follow me and share to your loved ones and share to students, most especially, yeah, students, because in their various institutions, most of them they are not being exposed to practical or software integrated like this. So share this to student group and your friends and your fellow group that are trying to invest in a career such as this. So I will keep you updated, right? I will make sure I give you a customized system such as this. Okay, thank you.